But now that the basics are out of the way, we can dive a little bit deeper into actually understanding the science behind lucid dreaming. So first, we're going to look at the physiology of the brain. In the brain, there are various regions, those of which are responsible for different things, such as memory and recall, or emotions, or processing, and so forth. I don't know if anybody's seen the Disney Pixar movie Inside Out, but that is a perfect example of how we compartmentalize things in our brain. It's also a really good movie, so I urge you to check it out. But the part of our brain that scientists have tracked for being responsible for the processes of dreaming, specifically lucid dreaming, is the prefrontal cortex. More specifically, the dorsolateral prefrontal cortex, which is highlighted for you in the picture. Another important thing is sleep cycles. I'm sure most of us know what sleep cycles are, but the most important one is REM sleep, which stands for rapid eye movement. It is in this cycle that the body is most vulnerable, it's most relaxed, and this is a stage where we have the most dreams. As noted in the how-to portion of lucid dreaming, we now know that it is important for our bodies to be relaxed and have no inhibitors. When this happens, our mind is free to do its thing and expand. Some scientists note that there is a neurotransmitter known as acetylcholine, which is believed to be linked to our ability to produce vivid dreams, which are likely to turn into vivid lucid dreams. However, we also have an enzyme that breaks this down, preventing our ability to lucid dream, which is why some of us are able to do it more easily than others. Why do you think that is? Why do we have this neurotransmitter, but we also have an enzyme that inhibits its duties and inhibits our ability to let our mind wander? Nevertheless, lucid dreaming is a pretty cool concept. Something that is also worthy of noting and understanding is that our minds are pretty cool things. When we are sleeping and when we are awake, our cognitive abilities are very similar. A study at Frankfurt University found that when the subject was fully awake and alert, or in the middle of a lucid dream, their coherence levels were very similar. What does that say to you? Personally, I found this to be a very interesting fact. However, there's some more interesting facts I want you to take a look at in the next slide.